There you go. Pretending to turn it off, pretending not to feel. Damon, you're so close. Don't give up.
I feel, Elena. Okay? And it sucks.
I let it fall.